Welcome to Clever Robot's Crypto Money, your quick hit of crypto knowledge in less than 2 minutes. Crypto ETFs are everywhere now, but what are they really? Should you invest in one? Or are they just Wall Street's version of crypto? Let's break it down. An ETF is basically a fund you can trade like a stock. In crypto, ETFs let you get price exposure to something like Bitcoin without actually owning the coin. It's a familiar format from traditional finance, now applied to crypto. Big asset managers buy the crypto, create a fund to hold it, and sell shares of that fund. When you buy the ETF, you're buying a piece of that fund, not the actual crypto. It's simpler, regulated, and easy to access, but it's not self-custody. There are two main types: spot ETFs, which track the real-time price of crypto; futures ETFs, which follow contracts betting on future prices. Spot ETFs are more direct, and that's why their approval in 2024 was such a big deal. Spot Bitcoin and Ether ETFs helped bring crypto back into the mainstream. Institutions piled in, prices rallied, and suddenly crypto looked way more legit. But it's not all upside. With ETFs, you give up ownership. You can't send or spend your crypto, and you're paying fees for something you could hold yourself. It's easier, but less free. If you just want price exposure and simplicity, ETFs work. But if you believe in self-custody and control, they're not the real thing. So, are crypto ETFs the gateway or the compromise? That's up to you. Subscribe and stay tuned with Clever Robot for your daily edge in the world of digital money.